Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, check out this crazy street. I think we're in District 5. And tree lined and some pretty cool looking houses everywhere, especially on the other side of the street over there. And yeah, we're going to be showing you Saigon. Wow, that is one loud. And this street really jumped out at me. It just looks so cool. But that street over there looks kind of interesting too. But anyways, we're going to show you the other side of Saigon. Saigon streets. All right, up on the map. This is, I'm going to call this Furniture Street. It does have a name. And it's kind of a cool street. I was kind of surprised. Once I got on the street, it made me really curious to see more of Saigon. And if you want to see more of Saigon too, like and subscribe, because I have at least another 7 or 8 Saigon videos of this whole set. So keep watching for that. I'll put up another one in about 4 or 5 days from now. And we got some music. The music I created and I put it in AI. The lyrics are coming down now. And let's just get right into it. So you want to see exactly what it looks like as if you were there yourself. Let's do that. So yeah, this street, let me just see. What I want to try to do is get across here. So I don't know how easy this is going to be. But yeah, this street looks kind of cool. And I think what I want to do is see if I can get it through here for one. And then if I can, I kind of wanted to come over here. Just kind of give you a taste for some other streets. So I was thinking about this one is the one I'm on with the trees, but this Bahat also looks kind of cool. So I don't know which one I'm going to do. Let's look at Bahat, and if not, I'm going to walk down that street because that looks super cool as well. So let me see, Bahat is right here. Bahat looks like there's no sidewalk. It looks like a little bit of a challenge. It does look pretty cool. But because it looks so challenging, and because this one also looks really good, I'm going to stick with it. So this one has all these kind of cool, and we're in, I'll put it on the map. I'm just going to walk down at about 7, 8, 10 minutes, give you a feel. I just walked down that street all the way down there. That one I thought was Book Street. It might still be, but maybe I went the wrong direction. And I believe we're in, let's see, Quadrant 10. Does that sound right? So we're in District 10. So this is kind of a random street in District 10. And I don't think I'm going to see any foreigners around here. I haven't seen any yet. But it's kind of interesting. Something a little bit different. And from what I can tell, there's a lot of stuff where, like, if you want furniture, this would be the place you'd come down to, and there's many stores with furniture throughout. And I'm just going to go down it a little bit. It's kind of cool though, actually. like as far as streets go, it's nice to see something totally different. So yeah, coffee shop. Hello. So we're gonna go all the way down. So we got all the furniture everywhere. Hello. Yeah, actually this street actually has a really good breeze, so I can feel the breeze just kind of coming down. Huh. Just saw some really cool alleys. I don't like to turn the camera quickly, but I'll look down the next alley that I see. So I think there's an alley coming up right here. But yeah, I looked down to the right and I was like, looks like somewhere you wouldn't want to go at night. So we're gonna take a look at this alley right here. So it looks like it goes into a little neighborhood all the way down. So yeah, it looks, so I think it goes, like there's a whole neighborhood all the way around here. Oh, the seat. Oh, the drink. Oh, I'm just walking around. Oh. I'll come and say hello. 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 So, cheers. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's good. Thank you so much. I was like, thank you. Thank you. So really cool. I actually feel bad to say no, but they're so friendly and inviting. But I want to film while the lighting is still good. The sun will go down in a little bit and I can't really film. But yeah, actually I'm trying to get a feel for this area. It's a little bit very neighborhoodish. And I don't know if the neighborhood is good or bad, I have no idea. But it feels like the kind of neighborhood where you don't want to get yourself in trouble. That's all I can say. And there's all these little alleys everywhere too. So, hello. And it just kind of goes into these, so there's like a whole little neighborhoods all the way in the back. So that's what makes this kind of interesting is you kind of feel like, you know, you're kind of in somebody's backyard a little bit. Yeah, this whole neighborhood sells furniture everywhere. There's furniture over there too. It's even way up in the windows. Louis Chilano. Anyways, it's kind of a nice street. There's a nice breeze. There's some cool buildings everywhere in Vietnam and Saigon as well. Wish I spoke Vietnamese. And again, it looks like we're coming into something a little bit unexpected. Like more cool houses and cool, more interesting stuff. So, okay, and there's a pagoda way over there too. Big Chinese looking pagoda. So I don't know. But anyways, this is the cross street that we're at right there. So that was the one that we're on. This one has that temple in the distance. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, it's hard to navigate. But I think I'm going to try to navigate through this. We'll see if I can get it. Got it. And I am going to try to navigate continually onto our main street again. I just wanted to see what it looks like when you go further down. Yeah, you got all these big big trees. It's kind of an interesting neighborhood of Saigon. The city is huge. Like you just don't really know what you're all seeing in here. And I think we're going to keep on seeing our the furniture as well of this neighborhood. And then now you're getting different kinds of houses when you go all the way down. There's not many foreigners here, so I feel like I'm like somewhere where it's not really that common. So, okay. Now you can see all these kind of cool looking houses everywhere as well. So now we're kind of coming into like all these little neighborhoods. A lot of nice architecture. Okay, everybody's kind of hanging out too. That's the thing about Vietnam, there's always like people hanging out everywhere. So I think I'm gonna go a little bit further. And right here we got a Chinese temple. So I think I'm gonna go into it. Hello, how are you guys? Let's see. I definitely won't say no because I kind of got permission. Hello. So I'm not going to go in. I'll just kind of keep going. But I think they're laughing, so I'm kind of confused. Hey guys, see that? Okay, so let me see. Can it work? Let's see if I can go down. Okay, so I think I'm gonna come to an end. So this street, you can kind of get the idea for it. There are a lot of interesting stuff everywhere in this area, and all the trees all the way down. It's basically kind of a furniture street.
Saigon, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon.